Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's look at how to check your credit score using Trim. Do you want to stay on top of your credit health? Trim makes it easy to check your credit score right from the app. Let me show you how it's done. First, you gotta open up the Trim app and log into your account. And then from the dashboard, you're gonna tap on the credit or credit score section. If it's your first time, Trim will ask you to verify your identity. This is a one-time step to protect your information. Once verified, you'll see your credit score displayed on screen, usually pulled from a trusted source like TransUnion or Experian. It's updated regularly so you always know where you stand. Trim also provides a credit rating breakdown, which of course shows you what factors are helping or hurting your score. That includes things like payment history, credit utilization, account age, and more. This feature is free for premium users and incredibly useful for managing your overall financial health. And don't worry, checking your credit score with Trim does not affect your score. It's completely safe and secure. That's it. Stay in the know, improve your credit, and make smarter money moves with Trim. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to monitor credit activity with Trim. So hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.